Hey gang, in this video, I'm talking about the best way to do cardio for fat loss. Again, in this video, I'm talking about the best way to do cardio for fat loss. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Coach L2LT Fit, and my goal is to help ladies 30 and over get your body back and keep the weight off. If that's you, definitely subscribe to this channel and like this video if it brings you value. Stay tuned. Hey gang, how are you doing your cardio? Now, there's two different ways to do cardio. The first way is doing cardio, which is called steady state, where most people do cardio like this, where you go at the same pace, the same speed for the whole duration of the session. So let's say you're doing a 10-minute run and you run the whole 10 minutes without stopping at the same speed. That's called steady state cardio. Or you can do cardio, you can do intervals. Intervals can also be called HIIT as well. Okay, so intervals mean that you do a set time. Let's say you're doing 30 seconds of cardio and then you're stopping. So you're going for 30 seconds and then you're stopping. Going for 30 seconds and then you're stopping. That's called intervals. And intervals are a superior way of doing cardio because you burn more fat and your heart has to actually catch up with what you're doing. You kind of confuse the heart in a way. Now, the heart is very smart. So when you go at the same speed the whole time, you're not going to burn as much fat. Also, the heart doesn't have to adapt because it got what you're doing. Now, if you notice that sprinters are very superior at burning body fat because of the way they work out. So when you watch a sprinter run, they run all out for 30 seconds to a minute and then they come to a complete stop. This is the best way to do cardio because you are burning the most fat and you actually allowing your body to recover, which is going to help you be more effective at the next set of doing cardio. So this is the only way that I do cardio whenever I do cardio. Other benefit of doing intervals is it takes way less time. Intervals take way less time. Now, let's say a typical workout, you might do a half an hour of cardio. You're doing a steady state cardio and you're trying to do 20 to 30 minutes and that's the duration of your workout. Now, when you do intervals, you can do as little as 10 to 15 minutes of intervals and still be more effective instead of doing a steady state cardio. Now let's talk about your interval workout a little bit. So let's say you do 6 rounds of intervals. Let's say you're doing 30 seconds each, okay? So that's 30 seconds and that's a minute for 2, okay? So that's a minute for 2, okay? 2 minutes for 3. That means just to do the intervals, that will only take you 3 minutes to do 6 round intervals. Now, let's say that you're going to take a minute rest in between each one. Okay, a minute rest between each one. So now we're up to about 6 minutes. So you're talking 6 minutes for the rest time. Okay, and you're talking about 3 minutes for the workout. So you're talking about that's 9 minutes of actually working out. Now, of course, you need to factor in the time where you're going to warm up before and warm up after, because you should always be doing a workout, a warm up before and after. So let's say it just take you 5 or 10 minutes to warm up before or after. So the actual workout though will only take you about 10 minutes. So let's say in total, depending on how fast you warm up or cool down, let's say it takes you a total of 10 minutes. So we're talking 20 minutes of a workout, but we only took 10 minutes of actually, 20 minutes of total time of working out, but we only actually took 10 minutes of working of the actual interval workout. So as you can see, you can get a great interval workout even in as little as 20 minutes. Now let's say if you don't have 20 minutes, if you cut that workout in half and you only did, let's say we said 9 minutes, so let's say you cut it in half, you only did 3 intervals, okay, which would still be beneficial. Then you cut the time down to about, I guess, 10 to 12 minutes, okay? So intervals take a lot less time, but you're gonna be more effective and you're gonna burn more fat. Thanks a lot for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope that it brought you some value Definitely please comment below and let me know how this video has helped you. Now definitely subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, for sure, and like this video if it brings you value, and I can't wait to see you again, and you have a wonderful day.